In this video, I'll show you how to set up Wise account to receive money. To get started, go ahead and open Wise on your device. You can do this on the app version and the website version. Now make sure that you have signed in into your Wise account and you have verified your Wise account. So to do that, head over to the top left corner of your screen, and here make sure that you have verified your email, which you'll find under the personal details tab. Make sure that you have your email address verified and you have verified your identity. So once you have actually set that up and all of this up, you can go ahead and set up your receiving accounts on Wise by heading back to the dashboard. So in here, click on this top left corner of your screen, and that will allow you to head back to your dashboard. So under your total balance, you'll find this. Click on this add another currency, and in here select balance, since what we want to do is to set up our account to receive money, and since we want to send, receive, and spend money, we want to click on that. Now in here, you can simply select the currency that you want to add to your receiving accounts on Wise. So as you can see in here, you have a wide selection of currencies that you can choose from. So you can simply look for that currency that you want to add and click on that to be able to add that receiving account on Wise. And after you do that, you can simply add a balance, convert currency, send money, and request money for this specific currency on your Wise account. And that is how you can simply set up Wise account to receive money. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.